What's up everyone? Welcome to TechVec++. Today we will be discussing about a new Radeon software by AMD, AMD Adrenalin 2020 update, its new features, compatibility, and why AMD users should consider updating their software. The new Radeon software update version 19.2.3 was released last week by AMD, which promises to fix various issues and bugs and provide better stability and driver support. Here is the compatibility for desktop Radeon products and mobile chipset GPUs. And here we have compatibility list for AMD processors with built-in graphics. Okay, first download it from the AMD website or update your current software. After the updation, run Radeon software. The user interface will look like this. You can see here the UI of the software is totally changed and becomes more interactive. Here we have different tabs. First we have Home tab, where you can see there are many options. On the left you can see it shows you which game you played last and how many hours you played it and what were the average frame rate. Below it is the option for media capture. It has interactive buttons for screenshot, recording a video, play an instant replay, or make an instant GIF out of your gameplay action. In the middle it shows you your recent games, and on the right side it shows you your driver update, external device connected, and CPU GPU compatibility. There is an adjust global graphics interactive button which opens many more sub tabs. First, check the System tab and it shows you your software details and settings to set up update, check and install. Moreover, it gives you complete details of your graphics card. The Graphics tab shows different Radeon feature settings. We have different profiles here: gaming, esports, standard, and your custom setting. Here we got plenty of AMD Radeon features which will surely provide performance boost. We got here anti-lag, which resembles AMD FreeSync on Nvidia's G-Sync, but it is on software level. Second is Radeon Chill, which limits the FPS to save power. Mainly it is for laptops and handy devices. Then we got Radeon Boost, which works on dynamic resolution. Then there is image sharpening and enhancing. You can set up according to your needs, or you can choose of these profiles to handle it. Clicking on Advanced, we have those in-game graphics settings which I usually set in-game according to the need. Moving on, we got Display tab here, which gives the features and options for your monitor. We have settings here to enable FreeSync, which is not being supported by my LED monitor. Several other options are to enable virtual super resolution, set your custom colors and settings between your graphics card and monitor screen. Click on the display specs and it shows you your monitor specs. Moving towards the video tab, it gives you options to choose different video screening modes for better experience, which is already being set up on your monitor. We have hotkeys here. These hotkeys are for number of options, like these 6 main categories that are general hotkeys, recording hotkeys, performance, streaming, scenes, and graphics hotkeys. These keys comes very handy during streaming and gaming. You can edit these hotkeys and make your own shortcuts. The other tabs are accounts, which manages your account for different platforms, devices, which manages your external connected devices, and finally the general settings, where you can explore many other settings which will provide better experience and performance. Just like here we have the setting to change our recorded or captured media's save location, and you change it from here. You got your recording quality settings, your live stream video quality settings, and several other settings on the right. Well, these were all the sub-tabs and cover almost all the features which this new Radeon software provides, but still we have few main tabs left. Let's move on to them. We have gaming tab here which manages your installed games. The streaming tab where you can set up your stream after you set up your account from the account sub-tabs. Lastly, it is the graphical representation of your performance. You can monitor your GPU, CPU and RAM consumption and performance. From tuning tab, you can overclock your GPU, but remember, it will give you warning to do it on your own risk. There is a button to enable metric overlay. Here it appeared all the details this tab has to present. You can set your metric tab position from the option here. That's all for this video. It was a brief walkthrough for this update. I hope AMD users would find plenty of reasons to update to this software. If this video helps you out, please do subscribe to my channel. I am running a bit short on subscribers. Help me out to grow. Also, press that like button and comment your views about this new update. See you in the next video.